Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So first of all, do you guys see this fuchsia set that I'm wearing? This is Skims' new Raspberry Cotton Collection. And you guys, this color is giving me life. I have the bralette and I have the regular tank on, and I am freaking obsessed. I did a whole TikTok on this outfit. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the bralette because it's a little tight on me. Like it's not the most flattering, but when I have the tank top on over it, it doesn't make it that bad, but that's besides the point. Anyways, so today's video is going to be my April favorites. So as you guys know, April was like a really crazy month for me, so I wasn't wearing makeup like that, but I was doing a lot of like skincare and stuff like that, and I have some body care products and hair care products that I want to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. There were a few standout products to me, so I guess I'm going to start. Okay, I'm going to start with this. So this is brand new from Secret. So I went to Florida in such like a frenzy that I forgot to pack deodorant. This is Secret's new aluminum-free dry spray coconut scented deodorant. You guys, I freaking love this. I love that you just go like this. I'm sorry if this grosses you out, but I love that you just go like this, and you're done, and it leaves no residue. Like there's no white cast, no residue, nothing. Actually, it keeps you smelling fresh all day long. The coconut scent doesn't last too long, but honestly, I don't stink. Like I didn't stink at all, and you guys, I was sweating. Like I was sweating, moving furniture, moving garbage, like doing so much stuff. I was sweating so much, and there was like 1 or 2 days where I was like, all right, like I definitely need a shower, but like most of the time, this did the job. So if you're just kind of chilling, working, doing like usual everyday things, you're not like doing any type of heavy lifting and like what I was doing in Florida, you should be fine with this. I freaking love it. Dove makes one too. I like the Secret one a little bit more because it actually keeps me more fresh throughout the day. The Dove one, I can definitely start to like smell it like disappear and like throughout the day. Even if I'm not sweating, it doesn't really keep me smelling fresh, just like nothing like how this one does. So if you guys can get your hands on this, I feel like it's been sold out everywhere, but if you can get your hands on this, do not sleep on this because it's freaking amazing. So the next standout product to me, oh my god, I got this during the VIB sale, and I don't know why I've waited so long to purchase Supergoop sunscreens. I purchased the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40. You guys, I freaking love this thing. It's so amazing. It gives you a little tint to your face, but nothing like crazy, but it gives you a beautiful frigging glow, and I am all about the glow. I literally, like whenever I put it on, I'm like, oh my god, like I look so glowy. I'm frigging obsessed with it. This is perfect for you girls that don't want to do makeup and just kind of want to like look put together, but not put together, if that makes sense, or like you want to look like you tried a little bit at least. This is for you. It gives you that little bit of effort, but it also protects you from the sun, which obviously, who wants to age around here? Who wants sunspots? Who wants wrinkles? Not me. So if I can find something that's going to make me look good and give me the sunscreen protection that I need, I am all for it. And this hasn't broken me out either, because sometimes sunscreens will break me out. This one, nope. Freaking obsessed. So you guys, it's definitely worth every single penny. I know it's expensive, but 10 out of 10 recommend. So this eye cream, you guys, I saw this in Target a little over a month ago, and I was like, you know what, it's 10 bucks. I'm running out of my Belief one. Let me pick this up. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration eye cream. This is $10 in Target, Ulta, wherever. I frigging am obsessed with this eye cream, you guys. Literally, it is the best eye cream that I've ever tried. I love my Belief one. Like, that is definitely, like, my fave, but it's so expensive. Like, in reality, I'm not going to be spending $40, $50 on an eye cream, even though it lasts me a pretty long time. I wanted to try something that was a little bit more affordable, and I know e.l.f. is cruelty-free. I'm pretty sure they're vegan. Pretty sure they don't have any of those harsh chemicals in it. I'm pretty sure there's a clean skincare brand, and I'm not looking for anything crazy. I'm just looking for hydration, and this is what you get with this eye cream, you guys. Literally, it gives me hydration. It kind of brightens me a little bit, nothing too crazy, but I'm not even like interested in the brightening effect. I'm just interested in the hydration and how my under eyes feel and look. They look so plumped and hydrated, and they feel so good. Oh my god, even under certain concealers you can definitely get away with wearing this. Not all concealers, but certain like lighter weight ones. If it's a really thick concealer, you may not be able to get away with wearing this underneath, but most concealers, you should be okay. You guys, if you need a good affordable eye cream, look no further than the e.l.f. Holy Hydration. It's amazing. Speaking of hydration, this has literally been my go-to skincare cream for months, you guys. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Cream. I don't know if I spoke about it on YouTube, and if I have, I do apologize, you guys. This is my favorite. I'm like almost out of it. It's so crazy how much I've used, but the cool thing about this is this piece right here where the cream is, you can actually remove it and just buy a refill. You don't have to buy the whole component all over again, which is awesome because one, you're saving money, and two, you're saving the environment too, because that's less plastic that you have to dispose of. I love that idea. I think it's genius. This cream is amazing. It doesn't leave like too much of like a heavy residue on your skin, but it gives you just the right amount of hydration where like you're good for the whole day. This, I love it so much. Morning and night, you can definitely get away with using it in both. I use it morning and night, but you guys, it's so freaking amazing. I love it. So speaking of Glow Recipe, I think I've spoken about these on my channel before, but I don't remember. My brain is a little like foggy these days, so I do apologize. This is another like staple item from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. You guys, the hype is real about this. I actually do think I have spoke about this in another favorites video, but here we are. I want to speak about it again because I love it so much. When I got this for Christmas, I had like a bunch of like little bumps. Oh my god, I thought I just saw a bee on me. When I got this for Christmas, I had like a bunch of little bumps like on my forehead, and once I started using this, they started to like diminish, and then within a few weeks, they were gone. And ever since I've been using this every single day, I haven't had any reoccurrences. My acne or like my pimples have been under control. I get one here and there from like stress or, you know, that time of the month, but for the most part, I'm good. And I really do believe that this has everything to do with it. You guys, if you haven't tried this serum, I know it's a little pricey, but it is worth every frigging penny. I love it so much. So up next, you guys, this literally, I wore this all day, every day when I was in Florida, and I was using it every day before then, but just being in Florida and using it as much as I did really made me realize, holy shit, I love this product. This is the Summer Fridays Lip Balm. You guys, as you can see, it is very well loved. I'm almost out of it. I'm gonna have to restock soon. The best lip balm to ever exist. I have the Tatcha Kissu one. That one's good, but this one, oh my god, the hydration that it gives my lips, and it just leaves my lips hydrated for hours. Like I can literally put this on and not have to reapply for hours between eating and drinking. Like my lips don't feel dry. Obviously at some point I will have to reapply, but if I put this on like a lot and then I kind of go on about my day, like I'll forget about it and be like, wow, like my lips still feel really hydrated. That's how good this product is. I freaking love it. If you guys haven't tried this lip balm from Summer Fridays, definitely check it out because it is amazing. So sticking with lip products, this is another lip product that I wore all the time. I already loved this lip product before Florida, but since like I said, I wasn't wearing makeup like at all when I was away, this, whenever I had no makeup on, I wanted to just feel like a little bit like myself with a little bit of makeup, but no makeup really, I would put this on. This is the Fenty Heat Gloss Bomb in the shade Lemon Lava. Now, the reason I love this so much is because I love the formula, I love the color, you guys, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has little gold flecks in there that just reflect off your lips in the sun. When I went to Miami with my friend Michelle, it wound up being her birthday while I was there, so I took like a day and a half off to just go and like kind of like relax and try to have a good time. I was wearing this and she was like, what is on your lips? Like, what are you wearing? And I was like, I think I'm wearing my Summer Fridays. And then she's like, are you? I'm like, is there glitter happening here? I had no clue what I was wearing on my lips. And I was like, is there glitter? And she was like, yeah. And I was like, oh, my Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is freaking amazing, especially if you want to just like wear it when you're like at the beach or something and have like the sun reflect off your lips. Guys, it's beautiful. I have two shades. I have this one and then I have Fussy. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's Fussy Heat, but I like this one because of the gold flecks. This one I love too, don't get me wrong, but this one, definitely I will probably repurchase time and time again because it's so good. Okay, so I literally have two more products to show you guys and then that's it. So this I picked up during the sale because I have heard so many good things about this. This is the K18 Leave-In Repair Hair Mask. So this is super expensive, so I picked up the little size. But you guys, I really love this because you honestly can't even tell that I have split ends. Like I have crazy split ends right now. Like I'm way overdue for a haircut, but you literally, you can't even tell. Like my hair looks so healthy when I put this in. Now, if you have more finer, thinner hair like me, it will kind of make your hair a little greasier, quicker, but I'm used to that. My hair, literally, I have to wash like every 2 days. Like, I definitely can't go like a week or 4 days without washing my hair. Like, I will literally have just grease like pouring off my hair. So it's like every 2 days I will have to wash my hair, and this definitely adds to it. Like, it definitely makes my hair a little bit more greasier than normal, but I don't even care because my hair just looks so healthy. Like, it doesn't look damaged, doesn't look dead, and I really, really do believe that this has everything to do with it. There is another hair product that I have been loving that my sister had that I was using when I was in Florida, but I don't have it with me. I'm gonna try to find it online and like post it here, but that is another product that I was shocked when I was in Florida, that I was like, holy crap, my split ends, like they don't exist. Like, it was such a good product. I gotta go to Sally's and pick it up because I loved it too. Love it so freaking much. So the last product that I want to talk to you guys about, I've spoke about this perfume before on my channel. It's literally one of my go-tos. So when I went to Florida, I grabbed, like, I have a little travel size. I actually don't know where it is, but I have a travel size of this perfume, and I grabbed it and took it with me. And every time I wore it, I got so many compliments on it. This is the Kayali Deja Vu White Flower number 57. Now, I am a big, big fan. Over the last year, I've become a big fan of the Kayali, I think that's how you say it, Kayali perfumes that Huda Beauty's sister creates. This one is just, literally, this perfume is my freaking favorite perfume right now. I am obsessed with it. The only thing is they are really, really expensive, so keep that in mind if you were interested in purchasing them, but they are so good. You will definitely get so many compliments. Like I said, this is my favorite. I own this one, and then I own one other one that's like vanilla scented, but this is like my favorite. There's a few that I do like have my eye on that I definitely want to pick up, but I haven't done it because they're so expensive. But if you guys did want to try one, this is one that I highly recommend. Like I said, every time I wore it, I got so many compliments about how fresh I smelled, how good I smelled. Like, it's that perfume. So if you guys needed a good perfume, check this one out. I frigging love it. Okay, so that completes this April favorites video. Like I said, there wasn't that much stuff considering the circumstances, like you guys know, but this is everything that I was loving in the month of April. And even though it wasn't much, I really wanted to share it with you guys and share with you guys how I've been using all these products, because these are some of like my tried and trues at the moment. So let me know what products you guys are currently loving. Let me know if you've tried anything in this video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.